Stuart Abo from Florida. I was introduced to Qigong by my friend who is a paraplegic. His love for Qigong planted the seed in me to learn and eventually teach it. Qigong can be done either standing, sitting, or even in a wheelchair. My students tell me that Qigong has helped them with high blood pressure, stress, and balance. I love teaching Qigong. The movements are medicine for the mind and body. Jane from the UK. Last July, I decided to try Tai Chi, and now I do an hour of practice every day. The routine helped me feel that there is more to life than being thin and obsessing over weight. The first thing I noticed from my practice was that my breathing was shallow. Then I noticed that by concentrating on positive thoughts while doing my practice, I was able to get a grip on binge eating. Sure wish I had found this before all those endless hours of cardio. Michael from Pennsylvania. Having studied and practiced Tai Chi Chuan and medical Qigong for over 30 years, I've witnessed numerous benefits from my students. One senior overcame incontinence. Another person experienced amazing benefits from an embryonic breathing technique. And still others slept better after doing their Tai Chi or medical Qigong practice. May you find a life-enriching daily practice for your health and peace of mind.